The Galaxy Z Fold 7 has officially been revealed, and it's already turning heads with a strikingly thin design. Thanks to a leak from Evan Blass, we now have a detailed look at the device. And yes, it's incredibly slim. At just 8.9mm folded and 4.2mm when open, it matches the Oppo Find N as the thinnest foldable to date. Despite the tight space, Samsung still managed to fit a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, showcasing impressive engineering precision. Samsung has also refined the inner screen, bringing back the punch-hole camera. This move suggests two things. Either the company is avoiding under-display tech due to ongoing legal issues, like the BOE patent lawsuit, or, more likely, it's simply because the under-display camera's quality still can't match that of the cover screen. This year's 4-megapixel front sensor feels more like a safe compromise than a bold upgrade. On the back, Samsung listened to user feedback. According to Ice Universe, early prototypes showed a Saturn ring camera layout, similar to the Z Fold 6. But due to harsh criticism, the company scrapped that design. Instead, the Z Fold 7 gets a cleaner, more premium rear camera arrangement, visually more aligned with the Z Fold 5, and a notable improvement over the clunky Z Fold 6 and even the S25 Ultra. The S Pen also returns, but there's still confusion around it. Early reports suggested the stylus lacked a battery, meaning no Bluetooth functions, but that was a mistranslation. The S Pen does have a battery, confirming support for Bluetooth features like Air Actions. However, there's still no integrated slot in the Fold 7, and no word yet on whether the S Pen case has built-in charging. So, while S Pen compatibility is solid, and it even works with the Z Fold 6's pen, charging it remains a mystery. The Z Fold 7 is also launching with Samsung's new One UI 8. The update introduces refined visuals like a smart dynamic lock screen clock that adapts based on your wallpaper, creating a cleaner, more cohesive user experience, especially when paired with an always-on display. Overall, performance and software polish seem to be top priorities for Samsung this time. To build excitement, Samsung is offering big incentives: a $50 credit just for reserving, up to $1,150 in savings during the pre-order window, and a $5,000 giveaway during the July 10th Unpacked event. That makes this one of Samsung's most generous launch deals yet. The expected starting price remains at $1,799, with pre-orders opening immediately after the event. Meanwhile, Apple is getting ready to enter the foldable game in 2026. A leaked render, reportedly based on an internal schematic and shared by Chinese leaker Digital Chat Station, hints at a massive 7.8-inch inner display, a 5.5-inch cover screen, dual 48-megapixel rear cameras, a titanium build, and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Ming-Chi Kuo confirms that the device is still in prototype phase, so specs could shift. However, its current design appears too wide, more like an iPad mini folded in half than a traditional smartphone. Still, Apple's entry into the foldable market is expected to shake up the industry and force further innovation from rivals like Samsung.